be a flame that ignites the Olympic spirit, a beacon bright, a time to come together day and night. Rise to the flame, let the passion burn. With every step, with every turn, we'll chase our dreams, we'll make our mark. In the pursuit of glory, our hearts will spark.
From the tracks to the pool to the mat and the field hill, athletes from around the world, their stories unfurl. Their sweat and their tears, their blood and their pain, for the love of the game, they'll rise again. Rise to the flame, let the passion burn. In the crowd's delight, we'll witness history made under the shining light. For one brief moment, we're all as one, united by spark until the day is done. Rise to the flame, let the passion burn. So let's raise our voices,
let's raise our flags high,
for the Olympic dreamers
who reach for the sky.
May their stories inspire us,
may their hearts be aglow, as we rise to the flame. And let our spirits glow.